This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 13th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Mostly sunny sky out there today. Beautiful afternoon in store for us. Temperatures up in the mid to upper 60s. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. Warmer temperatures as we head into the weekend, but we will see an increase in clouds. Now, no sensible weather coming out of that. No precipitation yet, but we're still looking at signs of a pattern change by late next week. And that could bring cooler conditions along with the possibility of, yes, rain. Well, it's been a while since we've had a really good rain. I don't know if we're going to get one out of all this, but we will get into it here. We'll talk about it as we like to do here. First, that almanac from yesterday, 71 degrees the afternoon high, 51 the morning low. Averages 66 and 45. We're way behind in rainfall. We're not going to catch up before the year is over. I can almost put that in the bank for you. As we check that upper air weather pattern across the nation, we've got an area of low pressure here across the southwest. It's sitting just to the northwest of us, and this is going to come across the state with no fanfare for us other than somewhat cooler temperatures. Now, further to the east, it's pulling in plenty of moisture over New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, and points to the east, and so we will see some precipitation there. But around here, again, temperatures just down several degrees from where they have been. The watch warning map, we've got some wind advisories over parts of Hawaii. We've got some winter weather conditions further to the east of us over New Mexico and extreme northwest Texas, the panhandle there, the Oklahoma panhandle, some air stagnation advisories again, same areas over parts of Oregon and Idaho. But in terms of high impact events, there's just not a lot of that right now. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather. Thunder possible again over parts of New Mexico, West Texas, some of the adjacent areas. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not much. Now, there could be a shower there over the eastern part of the state. We could even see a sprinkle or two or some light rain coming into the western portion of the state at some point right at the very end of this period. And we'll talk about that and what the future may hold for our weather here as we go into the models right now. Here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run. It's valid 5 o'clock this afternoon. Pretty impressive ridge over much of North America. Undercutting that is this upper low, though, over the southwest. Now, around here, there's just no moisture. But further to the east, there sure is. So what it means down on the surface for today, sunny sky for this afternoon. Temperatures, again, somewhere between about 66 to 70. And looks like a lot of rain and some snow there, again, over parts of New Mexico, West Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, southeast Colorado. Could be seeing some inclement weather for sure. And maybe right up to the eastern border of our state. That's about it. Tonight, the sky is clear. And with drier air, overnight lows, upper 30s in the cool spots, low to mid 40s for the urban core. Tomorrow, it's more the same. Sunny, highs about 66 to 70. Going to Friday, we're mostly sunny. Temperatures begin to warm up, though, as that area of low pressure is out of here. Highs low to mid 70s. So again, we go back above normal here by quite a bit. Over the weekend, a pretty impressive area of low pressure is developing well off the west coast. And with the flow aloft here more southwesterly, we're going to see an increase in mid and high level clouds. We'll call it partly sunny for Saturday and Sunday, and highs mid to perhaps upper 70s. So way above normal and not far from record high temperatures, actually. We go into Monday, and again, high temperatures somewhere in at least the mid 70s. And we'll keep it in the low to mid 70s even on Tuesday. But now you see that system is coming into the west coast here. Rain, some snow for the Sierra, and maybe knocking on the door of our state as we get into Tuesday night and Wednesday of next week. Let's take a look at it here. This is a week from today, Wednesday the 20th. That low right along the west coast, southwest flow, moisture increasing, lots of clouds around. We're going to see clouds from the weekend all the way through much of next week. As for rain chances, though, we might start to introduce those as we go to Thursday. This is Thursday the 21st. You see that low coming into the southwest, and if that's right, showers would be coming in here. We'd have a chance of rain and some mountain snow. We haven't really talked about that for a while. Now, again, I want to stress, we're out here at 8, 9, 10 days out. And obviously things can change, but we have seen clear signs on the models here for a while of a potential pattern change. Will that hold up? We hope so. Because as we go out 10 days, this is Friday the 22nd, going into that Christmas weekend, and you can see another area of low pressure drops in behind this one. So we have continued troughing over the southwest for a rather unsettled weather pattern. More rain and mountain snow possible. Look at that deep upper low going out into the plain states too. Or that deep surface low, I should say, under 1,000 millibars. Snow for the Dakotas. Rain, maybe some strong storms to the southeast of that. Again, this is out at 10 days. Things can change, so keep that in mind. But if this is right, cooler and unsettled weather comes in just in time for the end of next week and right before Christmas. Checking out rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS Ensemble. This goes out through the 27th of the month. And a clear change in the weather pattern coming our way out toward about 8, 9, 10 days and beyond. And the ensemble mean continues to trend up. Well over a half an inch. You got individual members higher than that. The European ensemble is doing the same thing. So there is good model ensemble agreement on a pattern change out by about the latter part of next week. Checking out temperatures off the national blend of models. Now, we're going to keep it above average for a while, though, at least out through the middle part of next week. Beyond that, high temperatures start to drop, though. We could get well down in the 60s. And, obviously, if we get rain and cooler temperatures in here from all that rain, these cool upper troughs coming on in, we could have highs even lower than that. And so we will keep you up to date on those model trends. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer in absentia, although en route, coming home, is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation, the one that has been missed the most these past couple of weeks after her excursion to the Philippines. And I'm sure we're going to have plenty of photos for Photo Friday from her. I'm talking about my Michelle. Did I mention she is the proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name? I didn't. So I'm telling you that she is, and go check that out. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, so greatly appreciated. Please do be safe. And I want you to have yourselves a beautiful rest of your Wednesday.